Once you've got your hoppers on your guns, actually let me show you how to do that. All you got to do is turn your gun upside down, and then put your hopper on like this. Everyone pay attention. This is how you put your hopper on. Put your gun upside down, and put your hopper on it. Alright, I'm going to hand you out some guns, guys. Alright, once you've got your hoppers on, head out to the firing range, give your gun a quick test fire. Alright, yeah. All good, just head out and give your gun a quick test fire. Yeah, line up that good. Line up those targets, yeah guys?